Where are we going? What are we doing?
So we are heading to Hollywood Studios.
To see if park hopping works?
To see if park hopping works. We haven't tried it out yet.
We're so excited it's back.
We are excited it's back. Especially for us. We have always utilized park hopping in the past. So yeah, we're headed to the Skyliner to see if we can get into Hollywood Studios. Maybe get a ride or two in before the last like 2 hours of park open.
And then?
Well, we're still on that mission. So we gotta go back to Epcot to
how many booths?
Work on some more Flower Garden booths. Hopefully like 4 booths tonight. Like real 4 booths. I said 4 or 5 booths when we went in this morning. We only made it through 3 and 1 Joffrey's. That doesn't count. So really 4 booths tonight.
Alright, so we're gonna jump on the Skyliner again. And head, God knows we use the Skyliner.
Yeah, it's definitely worth staying on the Skyliner line when we're here at Pop, or you can stay at Art of Animation.
We love it. I'm not sure we'll ever go back to All Stars. And we made it. We are in. Well, we're not in.
We're not in.
We're not in.
We
got through security. We're about to go in. There's lots of people leaving, so maybe that'll mean a few short ride times for us.
Hopefully so.
All right.
We're gonna check out park hopping, and I'm gonna use my phone again for the mobile magic.
There's a pass holder entrance.
And there's a pass holder entrance. We're just checking off things today.
We're using all the perks.
Alright. I haven't.
Magic band will work.
I couldn't tell whether that was bracelet or magic band.
Uh-oh.
It didn't work today.
Well, it did work today.
It worked at Epcot, not here at Hollywood Studios. So
You're gonna have to check your Apple Wallet.
Yeah,
see what happened.
I don't know. But okay.
But we are in park hopping officially. Good to go. Let's go see if we can get on some rides before they close at
8 p.m. Alright, so we are in line for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. We will see how long it takes. The wait time says 20 on the board, so we are timing it to figure out how long it is. It's 6:10 right now, so we shall see. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Look at this line though, turning the camera around. That's 20 minutes.
This is the outdoor queue right now, so if this is 20 minutes,
then there's a new precedent.
Yeah, I know they are running like all the rows now with the plexiglass and stuff. So instead of seating like every other row, which they were doing the last time we were here. So we shall see.
The neon signage. Here we go, inside the lobby. The Chinese Theater.
Blast. Now, instead of watching the cartoon, you get to step into it.
To the trains. In Ruckamuck Park. Runamuck. Ruckamuck. Runamuck.
Well, hey there, Runamuck Railroad riders. Engineer Goofy here. For your safety aboard the train, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your car at all times. Always remain seated and be sure to keep a watchful eye on your little ones. Okie dokie. Thanks. nothing was gonna go wrong. Gosh, what's this lever do? Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings. Take your small children by the hand and watch your step as you exit the train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay?
Still as good as you remember it? Second time through?
Yeah, I think I actually enjoyed it the second time better than I enjoyed it the first time. I remember, I don't know, I feel like I saw more and kind of like knew more about what was going on, so I liked it.
We're going under the arch. And we're headed to Toy Story Land for a little battle royale.
Who's gonna win?
Me. Always.
Maybe not.
I always win.
Sometimes you win. Sometimes you lose.
Those are the rules. Doug wins.
Doug cheats.
Now, Doug doesn't cheat. I think we all know who cheats.
I don't cheat.
Oh, you cheat every time. Sometimes the cheating doesn't pay off. But we'll see. We're headed to Toy Story Mania. All right, here we go. Toy Story Mania time.
So what? I'm a potato. I make comments. Hey, I guess that makes me a commentator. Chills, thrills, games that test your skills. It's all right here at Toy Story Midway Mania. Do you think I'm kidding? Do you think we call it Mania for nothing? Oh no! You gotta see it to believe it.
Are you ready?
I am.
To lose?
To win, I think you mean.
What happened? Let's see what the scores are! Oh no! 179 to 147, what happened? Our accuracy is the same. We were not the best either. Maybe. No, we were not. So we still got some work to do. That 147 is not going to cut it.
Oh well.
Alright, are you ready for another ride that you can't win on?
Is there winning in this?
There's always winning.
Alien swirling saucers?
Here we go.
Are there winners or only losers?
There's Buzz. There's the entrance. We're going in. Let's do this. I'm ready for my favorite ride. I'd go out to Spain.
Inside your rockets and supervise your children. Nirvana awaits.
No.
Nirvana awaits.
Por favor. The galaxy awaits. Nirvana awaits. The claw awaits. Ooh.
But we are on the exit here, and park hopping worked.
Park hopping worked. Yep, we got in like 3 rides at the studios.
It was pretty nice.
Yep.
It's shaping up to be a nice evening, and now we're gonna go hunt down some booths.
Yep.
So on the Skyline.
On the Skyliner, we need to find a few more spikes.
Maybe before the sun goes down.
A few more gardens, and we need to eat some food.
All right, off we go.